Good afternoon. My name is Brad Armstrong with MarineMax in Lake Hopatcong, New Jersey. Today I want to show you our 2024 Sea Ray Blue Sea Ray SPX 210. The Sea Ray SPX 210 comes with sea decking on the swim platform and seating so you can face out while your family's in the water. You can keep an eye on. And let's walk into the boat. We have a couch in the back. We have a movable front seat, and we have our helm seat, and we have a Simrad system along with a JL audio head with speakers. We have the black sports tower with black canvas, and we have interior storage underneath right here. People put the cover, they can put fenders in it. Let's walk to the front of the boat. In the bow you can put in a bow filler cushion to fill this up. Otherwise you got seating for 3. And we have a curved windshield with this year on the Sea Ray. And when you want to come out to see this, give me a call, 973-222-0979. And again, Brad Armstrong with MarineMax. Hope to see you soon.